Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Crimson Desert game crashing, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen first. Now press menu button on controller and then select quit option. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check your internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, select settings, choose network settings, test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check everything is working fine. If not, next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage, choose clear persistent storage. Next is to clear Xbox cache. For that, open settings, click on system, click on storage, then highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device option. Under it, choose clear system cache. At last, confirm it by pressing yes. Next method is to perform power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on Xbox by pressing the button. Next solution is to check for Crimson Desert update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click on it to begin the updating process. Next method is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account. After that, click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove and then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the issue is fixed. Next method is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, go to profile and system, click on settings, click on system and click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or games to create some space and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall Crimson Desert game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps, then select see all option. Here select Crimson Desert, then press menu button, then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Crimson Desert official website and download the game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, then a final solution is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help of the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and even be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.